Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we will be exploring how to calculate NDVI using Google Earth Engine. So, if you are interested in remote sensing and geospatial analysis, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So, in this video, I will walk you through the basics of NDVI, that how to assess Google Earth Engine and how to write a simple script to compute NDVI for a specific region. So NDVI is a normalized vegetation index, and it is a measure of vegetation health, which is based on how plants reflect light at certain frequencies. So formula to calculate the NDVI is near infrared band minus red band divided by near infrared band plus red band. NIR is a near infrared light, which is reflected by vegetation, and red is a visible red light. So why it is important to calculate NDVI? Because the NDVI is widely used in agriculture, forestry, and environmental monitoring to assess plant health and biomass. So that is why NDVI is a very important index. So for this, firstly you need to open the Google Earth Engine, and you have to sign up with your Google account. The very first step what we have to do is we have to import our shapefile, our area of interest. So you go to the assets and select your shapefile and import. So next we have to add the satellite data. In this case, we are going to use harmonized Sentinel-2 satellite data. For that, you have to go to the search bar. You have to search the harmonized. Then here you will select the harmonized Sentinel-2 level 2A. So here you will find a collection snippet. So you have to copy this snippet and uh, add it to your script. So this line actually imports the Sentinel-2 surface reflectance harmonized data. So why harmonized Sentinel-2 data? Because it is the processed version of the raw Sentinel-2 data, which is designed to improve consistency and usability for various applications. And the dataset can be used in a various fields such as agriculture, forestry, land cover classification, and environmental monitoring. So after adding the data, we have to add a filter by date. So this line filters the dataset to include only images which are captured between the date which you will given in this line. So in the next line, we will add a filter by cloud cover. So this line further filters the images to include only those with less than 5% cloud cover. So after that, we will calculate the median. So this line calculates the median value of the remaining images pixel wise. So in the next line, we will add a clip to region of interest, which is our ROI, which is our shapefile which we have imported earlier. So in this line, we clip the image to specified region of interest, which is our ROI, and the ROI should be defined earlier in a script which we have already defined. So now we have to define the visualization parameters for RGB composition. RGB is red, green, and blue. So this object sets the visualization parameters for displaying the red, green, blue composite. So it uses band 4, which is red, band 3, which is green, and band 2, which is blue, with a stretch from point 0 to point 3. As I have written in the form of minimum and maximum. So our next step is to compute the NDVI. So to compute the NDVI, we have for this calculation the NDVI using the near infrared, which is band 8, and the red, which is band 4. So these two bands NDVI is using for the calculation, and we just rename the resulting band to the NDVI. So to represent our NDVI, or to show our NDVI in a color form, we have to define the visualization parameters for the NDVI. So this object sets the visualization parameters for displaying the NDVI with the color palettes. Okay, and as far as the color concern, you can add any color as per your choice, in which color you want to show or you want to represent your NDVI map. So you can add those particular colors. So that's it in the code. So after writing this code, what you have to do is we have to run this task. So in the Earth Engine code editor, you will need to run the code. So you click on the run. Once you will click on the run, your NDVI will be generated. So here we have to go to the RGB settings, and we have to customize to the stretch. You can also do the 100% stretch. Here I am doing the 98% stretch. Then apply, and you will see your NDVI is generated. So you can also change the color scheme. So here I'm going to change the color. I will put green color instead of blue, and which instead of blue, green, and delete the green palette from here, and then click on run again, and you will see the color of your NDVI data will be changed. So by this way you can write the code to generate your NDVI for any specific area on which you want to generate. And so thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it helps you to successfully calculate the NDVI of any particular area using Google Earth Engine especially. And if you have any questions or any queries, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much.